July 17, 2018. Former U.S. President Barack Obama spoke at the annual Nelson Mandela Lecture in Johannesburg, South Africa. He condemned strongman politics and said, "Without facts, there is no basis for cooperation." A fishing area enforced by Israel near the Gaza Strip was reduced from 6 nautical miles to 3 because of fighting between Palestinian militants and Israeli forces. And protesters march in Managua, Nicaragua, after police activity against anti-government demonstrators kills at least 12 people